Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Pandit. Today we are going to see how to set up your Bitcoin hardware wallet device Trezor. In the first step, please visit this URL trezor.io/start. On this URL you will find some information. I will share the complete information with you in this video. So you can skip this information as of now. Click on no, skip it, and then click on done. Let's go. In the next step, you have to install extension to your Google Chrome browser. If you are using a different browser, you have to install Trezor Bridge from here. It is available for Windows. As I am using Google Chrome browser, so I will be installing extension by clicking here. Click on add to Chrome. Click on add app. As you can see, the Trezor extension has successfully been installed to your Google Chrome browser. Now go back to your first page and refresh it. Here you can see a message, connect Trezor to continue. Now connect your Trezor device to your laptop through USB. After you connect your device to your laptop, in the first step, please name your device. You may change this name later on, so you can name it from here. For example, I named my device as ABC device. Click on continue. Now in this step you will be asked to enter 4-digit PIN. I request you to take a look at your Trezor device. You will find numbers 1 to 9 in 3 columns and 3 rows. So you have to follow the same pattern in which the numbers are shown on your Trezor device. For example, if I want to give my device the pin 1 2 3 4, 1 is located at first row and third column in my Trezor device. 2 is in first column and second row. 3 is in second column and first row, and 4 is in third column and third row. So I have entered 1 2 3 4 following the pattern on my Trezor device and press enter. Now again you have to enter the same pin, but now the pattern on your Trezor device has changed. So follow the same pattern, enter 1 2 3 and then 4. Now click on enter. In the next step you will be shown 24 different words that you have to write somewhere very carefully. Make sure you write these words in the best way possible, and you have to keep these words safe with you, because if your device gets lost or it gets damaged, these 24 words will help you in recovering your coins. So take a look at your Trezor device. You will find the first word over there, and then click on next on your Trezor device. Then click on again next, write down the third word, and similarly you can write all 24 words from your Trezor device. Once you write 24 words, it will again show all the words one by one so that you can check it again. Again, check all your words from the device and make sure all the words are written correctly. Once you have checked all the 24 words, click on finish on your Trezor device and again enter the same PIN following the pattern in your Trezor device. As I have entered 1, 2, 3, 4, so I will follow the same pattern and enter 1, 2, 3, 4 and press enter. Congratulations, your device is now ready to use. All the coins supported by the Trezor device are available here. You can see the list of coins. If you want to give added security to your device, you can enable passphrase encryption. Just click on device, ABC device name, and then click on advanced. Here you will find the option enable passphrase encryption. To enable passphrase encryption, click on confirm on your Trezor device. Now disconnect the device and again reconnect it. Now you have to enter the PIN first. I will be entering 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and now I will be entering my passphrase. Make sure you remember this passphrase, because if you forget this, you will not be able to recover your coins. So for example, I name the passphrase as passphrase 1 and again repeating the passphrase and enter. Now your device is protected using the PIN protection as well as passphrase encryption. Your device is ready to use. You have to enter the passphrase. Once you change the coin, to receive coins to your Trezor device, click on coin and then click on receive. After that, click on show address. It will show you your Bitcoin address and the same address will be shown on your Trezor device. Click on continue on your Trezor device and then you will see a QR code that can be scanned to receive your bitcoins. Similarly, to send the bitcoins, you just have to enter the external bitcoin address here. Then you have to enter the amount of bitcoins you want to send, and then fee. The higher the fee you will select, the earlier the bitcoins will be transferred to the external bitcoin address. Same is the case with other coins as well. So this is how you set up your Bitcoin hardware wallet device Trezor. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Pandit. Thank you so much.